Can an LLC issue shares? No, an LLC cannot issue shares like a corporation. Ownership in an LLC is represented by membership interests, not stock. These membership interests define each member's share of profits, losses, and voting rights, and the details are spelled out in the operating agreements. While LLCs can't issue shares, they can still raise money by admitting new members, selling portions of membership interests, or negotiating private investment deals. This flexibility often makes LLCs easier to manage than corporations, since the ownership structure can be customized to fit the members' needs. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and set up an operating agreement that makes it easy to bring in investors without issuing shares. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.